Hello and welcome to your free training library offered to you by the Senior Tuber Community YouTube channel. If you're looking for YouTube training, this is the place to get it. We offer a live training every week to members of our creator circle. And in return, we take those live calls and we break them up into bite-sized pieces so that you can learn YouTube at your pace. Every week we're uploading several videos for you to learn from. So if you want to subscribe to this channel, look in this section if you're already here on the channel and just look for some of the things that you might be interested in. If there's something that you're looking for a video on and you can't find it, then definitely put some information in the comments so that we can create one for you. I'm Fran Asaro. I'm the founder of the Senior Tuber Community, and we created this free library because there are people out there who just want to learn. They don't want to join a community. They don't want to pay for coaching, and they just want the information. Well, that's why we did it. But for those of you who do want a community or you are interested in some private coaching to learn how to do your YouTube channel bigger and better, then by all means, check in with us. Go to seniortuber.com or circle.seniortuber.com and find out what else we're up to. And come and join us. We even have a Facebook group open to anybody who wants to learn. You don't need ID, even though we work with mostly mature creators. Everybody's welcome. So I hope to see you there. Comment if this is something that you're interested in learning more about. And I can't wait to meet you. Thank you.